Hi everybody, in today's video I will be making body candles using these two molds. I ordered them off of Amazon. It took about a week before they came in. I was super excited. I've been seeing them all over TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest, so of course I just had to make them myself. So of course molds don't have a hole in the top for a wick to go through, and you have to poke a hole yourself. I just ended up using like a really thin sharp knife because the needle I had was too thin, and the top part of the silicone actually was really thick and the needle was just not doing it. So I have my wick ready, and now I'm just inspecting the inside of the mold to check for any debris, and as you can see here, there is a little bit of dust and some kind of residue. So it's really important to clean your molds before you start pouring wax because it will contaminate your candle. However, in this case, I don't really care too much because I'm making them for the first time and I'm actually reusing wax from an old candle, so this is just a test run. They don't have to be perfect, so that's why I'm just reusing old wax. So I would rather not waste fresh wax on candles that I make for the first time because I'm just curious to see how they're gonna turn out overall. Is the shape gonna stay intact and all that. So normally for a bigger candle, like the bubble candle, I would just let it sit for pretty much 24 hours before taking it out of the mold. But I know these ones are a lot smaller and they don't have to be in for as long. So I only kept them in for about 4 hours. And when I was demolding, they did not break. Although I have made more of these since I made this video, and I did not wait 4 hours. Like in one case, I think I only waited like 2 hours, and this one actually, not the curvy one, but this one ended up breaking, just snapping in half. So rule of thumb, I guess wait like a minimum of 4 hours. Like I said, they're a lot smaller, so the wax definitely sets a lot faster than with a bubble candle like I'm showing you here. Those need a lot more time, but yeah, for this one I would say like wait a minimum like 4 hours because that's what worked. And I know people sometimes try to rush and because they're curious to see what it's going to look like, but definitely don't rush because it might seem like it's set and it's ready to be demolded, but it's actually pretty difficult to take them out of this. So that's why you need to make sure that, the candle is hard and will not snap. Oh gosh, I got it. I think I almost got it. It's gotta be super careful. It's really hard demolding this. Gosh, but like, look at that. So gorgeous. Okay, almost done. Wow. What? No way. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is gorgeous. So yeah, now I'm just gonna have to trim this wick and then trim the top. Oh my god, I'm obsessed now. See, I don't like how this is not in the center, so that's gonna drive me crazy, but overall it looks fucking incredible. I love it. Okay, so on to the next one. Now I'm curious to see how, oh, okay. So I can see this one I kind of screwed up because there were some air bubbles in the wax, I have to admit. Whoop. Look at these boobies. So yeah, there is a bit of a crack, but I mean, I was kind of expecting it.
See, like even a bunch of water dripped here. So this is definitely not one of my, oh yeah. And then I can see the water. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's a little messy, but yeah, see, look at that. Never do this. Can you even tell if it's, is that the inside or the outside? Okay, but a few things I can learn from this. This I actually got right in the middle, which is perfect. And I mean, overall, I love this body. Looks pretty cool. Again, I screw up on the wax. Too bad. Could have been better. But, you know. So you see how like this just kind of did inside. But these look pretty freaking cool. So